So your Wi-Fi is on all the time, at home, outside, walking down the street for no reason. It's just on. Because why not? You're probably thinking it doesn't hurt anything. And honestly, you're mostly right because when Wi-Fi is turned on, your phone is constantly doing one thing, looking for networks. Not aggressively, not dramatically, just quietly scanning every few seconds like, anything here? No? Okay, I'll check again. And when it finds something, it tries to connect, especially if it's a network you've used before, which is convenient because you walk into your house and boom, you're connected. No effort, no thinking. Life is good. But now let's leave your house. You're outside, still with Wi-Fi on. Your phone is now scanning for networks that don't exist anymore. Old cafes, airports, hotels you visited once in 2019. Your phone remembers all of them. And every time it finds a familiar name, it gets excited. Hey, I know this one. And sometimes it connects automatically, which sounds great, until you realize not all Wi-Fi networks are safe. Some are slow, some are unstable, and some aren't even real because yes, fake Wi-Fi networks exist. Someone can create a network with the same name as a public one, and your phone might just connect to it, no questions asked. Now you're online, but not really. You're connected through someone else. And just like that, your free internet moment turns into a bad decision with good signal strength. Now let's talk about battery because this is where people panic. Wi-Fi drains your battery. Technically, yes, but not in the way you think. The scanning process uses power, but it's tiny, like background noise level tiny, compared to watching videos, using mobile data, and brightness at 100%. Wi-Fi scanning is basically irrelevant, so leaving Wi-Fi on all day? Not a big battery problem. The real issue is behavior, auto-connecting to random networks, jumping between weak signals, trusting networks you don't remember joining. That's where things get messy. Because your phone is trying to help, it's built for convenience. But convenience doesn't always care about security, so what should you do? Turn Wi-Fi off every time you leave the house? You could, but realistically, you won't. So instead, be selective. Forget networks you don't use anymore. Avoid connecting to random public Wi-Fi, and don't assume every free Wi-Fi is friendly because most of the time, nothing happens. Your phone scans, finds nothing, moves on. But every now and then, it finds something, and that's when it matters. So yeah, leaving Wi-Fi on? Convenient, mostly harmless, but also a small reminder that your phone is always looking for something, even when you're not.